Highs in the lower 90s. North winds around 5 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the low. This is NOAA's National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXJ-22's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in north-central South Carolina: Chesterfield, Clarendon, Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Kershaw, Lee, Marion, Marlborough, Sumter, and Williamsburg. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return you to the normal program schedule. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florence and the surrounding area.